こんにちは。VR 日本語の萌です。今日はね、ホラーゲーム。In Japanese, ホラーゲーム is ホラゲーをしたいと思います。怖いですね。I'm super scared. Okay, ホラーゲームです。There's few vocabularies that we're going to learn to panic in Japanese. Firstly, kawaii. Kawaii is an adjective, scary. Kawaii. It's very similar to kawaii, which is cute. But this is definitely kawaii. Another word is yabai. Yabai is oh no, or oh my goodness, that type of thing. Yabai. Again, that's an adjective. And hayai. We're learning all the adjectives today. Hayai is fast. So just to explain the purpose of this game, the name of this game is Go Home. And the purpose of this game is for this little girl to go home. Uchi ni kaeru. Uchi is your home. Kaeru is to return to home. Uchi ni kaeru. The only problem we have in this process of uchi ni kaeru, to go home, there is a super fast running ghost chasing her. Ghost in Japanese, yurei. Yurei. Fast running ghost is 足が速い幽霊。足が速い means fast running. 足 is leg, legs. So 速い fast legged ghost. 足が速い幽霊が追いかけてくる。追いかけてくる is chasing. 追いかけてくる。And when I press Q, I think, the key Q, I know she's going to point where is her home is. So I'm trying to go home by her pointing, like seeing where she's pointing at. And also, because there is a fast running ghost, we're going to use manhole. When I get to manhole, I'll be able to pop up, escape the ghost and pop up into another manhole. But that is going to disorientate me, and it's getting harder for us to get home. So that's the whole purpose of the game, is go home, uchi ni kaeru. And I will be using some of those words, kawaii, yabai, hayai, tsukamaru. Tsukamaru is, oh, I'm gonna get caught. It's my very first ホラゲー。やってみましょう。頑張りましょう。はい。両親とはぐれてしまって、どこを探しても見つからないの。両親 parents はぐれてしまって I've been separated, he said. 両親とはぐれてしまってどこを探しても見つからないの。I can't find them anywhere, so I'm gonna go home, trying to go home. So 行ってみましょう。怖い scary。I guess まっすぐ神社ですね。ここは神社。Looks like it's shrine. んI've already died. Oh no. What happened? That's too quick. Okay. So I guess I can't go through there. 両親とはぐれてしまってどこを探しても見つからないの。仕方がないから先に家に家に帰っていよう。タブキーで閉じる。仕方がないから There's nothing I can do, so I'll go home. Is there another way to get? Ah, I see. Maybe I'm waiting. Ah, I see. そう、これがマンホールですね。不審者に遭遇したときはマンホールを使ってテレポートしなさいってみんなも習ったよね。不審者 means if you see suspicious person 遭遇する encounter ときはマンホールを使う。When you see someone suspicious, use manhole ですね。お家はどこ？私の家は黄色いマンションの3階、9ボタンでゴールの方向。Oh my goodness. My house is yellow mansions, third floor. 黄色いマンションの3階、Q ボタンはゴールの方向。When you press button Q, you can see the direction of the house. 怖い。怖いよ。来た。怖い。やばい。怖いよ。That what? Q button. That. Oh my god! やばい。怖い。え Oh my god. 怖い。怖いな。どこ。あ、捕まった。怖い。むちゃ怖い。捕まった。やばい。これやだ。怖い。なんなのあの人。来た。私の色は黄色いマンションの3階って分かったけど I know もうやだ。怖いよ。怖い。あっち？怖いよ。来た。来た。 た来た来た来た来た来た。え、犬？やだなこれ。もうやめようかな。怖いよ。続ける？ Continue? Okay, only one more time. 全然進まないし。今度は違う方向に行ってみましょう。めっちゃ怖い。さっきと同じところかな。どこ？ここ？やだー、怖い。捕まった。ダメです。私は多分もの無理です、今日は。というわけで全然進みませんでした。I could not go forward at all. I'm just too weak. 怖すぎる。So, today's vocabulary. やだ。Is oh no. 怖い。Scary. やばい。Oh my goodness. 捕まる。Got caught. とても足が速い幽霊ですね。Very fast running ghost. My heart is racing. お疲れ様です。このゲーム This is a really scary game, but kind of funny too. So if you're interested in, I'll put the link below for you to try, so you can scream 怖いやだ in Japanese. Thank you always for watching, and if you like my video, please subscribe, and I will see you next time. Hopefully not too scary one next time. Thank you for watching. じゃあね、またね。